Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon, and today I'm going to talk about the cryptocurrency called EOS. I'm going to dive into some technical details, some staking, and some of the details about this crypto. Let's dive right in, guys. So first off, EOS is trading about 90 cents. It's on about 400,000 people's watch list, ranked 45 on the list, and about $980 million market cap. Now, this cryptocurrency has been, basically going down for a while, but what I like about EOS, guys, when you look at the chart, it has been slowing down. Now, I talked about this in a live stream I made earlier today, and now what I like about it, how it's been consolidating at these points right here, it's been slowing down. Now, I do see crypto going down a little bit more, like in general, until the end of quarter three and quarter four. In quarter three, I see it going back up, or the beginning of quarter four, that little zone right there, and heading up higher. So we are consolidating right here in this zone, and there's a good, in my estimate, that I see it going up higher to these previous highs. Now, what I like about EOS is that you guys can, that it can be staked, and if you combine those things, that it could be possibly going up higher and staking rewards, you can see a pretty much good gain for that. And that's how I'm going to be playing for it. And I'm not saying you guys what to do. This is my plan. I'm just sharing you what my ideas are. Now, if you're looking for staking rewards, there's two websites you guys can check out. There's stakingrewards.com, and there's another website, stakingcrypto.info/that. But basically, it gives you a whole bunch of platforms for staking EOS. Now, I haven't put in the orders yet when it comes to staking this, but I'm just doing more research, but just trying to share this out with you guys. Now, here are some platforms that you can stake EOS on. Now, I currently do not stake EOS. I only stake Hedera so far. Now, I don't know if these are real numbers or these are true, but if they are and you are currently staking EOS, let the audience know, let the community know. Drop a comment on how and what's been your experience with their platform. And they're pretty high, like you're talking about like 23%. And we'll see if that's even possible when I start getting into it, okay? I'll give you guys an update if you guys remind me about it. But if we can see if it goes up to these next highs, I think it could be a really good trade, and basically be able to flip accounts pretty good, because we're talking about entering right now. If it does hit that, we're talking about 3-1, and we go to these previous highs up here. That's 5, maybe almost 4 to 5 to 1, and up here is much better. And that's how the way I'm gonna be playing it. Hitting with the staking rewards, dollar cost averaging in, buying when it's low, keeps dipping in there, buy even heavier, then when it goes up, buy even less, and start exiting some of my positions staggered. And let's see. And if you guys are looking for the social medias, look at for their community, hit them on Twitter or on Reddit. But if you guys want their website, it's eosnetwork.com. Notify me. You guys can read more about it, like what's the crypto, how it's developed, their white paper, stuff like that. And that's basically it, guys. When it comes to EOS, you guys want information about it, hit me up directly. You guys can join my Telegram. The link will be on my website and on the YouTube description and on the comments. And if you guys want more information about cryptocurrency trading, just check out the free education. Free. If you guys want my services here, guys, basically hit me up on Telegram or on Facebook and we can talk about it, okay? But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.